Welcome to my channel. My name is Aida. In this instructional video, I will show you how to install MySQL. We will be using MySQL in the upcoming videos on my channel. In these videos, I will introduce you to SQL, starting from the basics to the most commonly used features for data analysts and scientists. We open an internet browser and type MySQL in the search bar. We select the Downloads option and then MySQL Community, GPL, Downloads. I choose the MySQL Community Server, which is free. Since I am installing the program on a Mac with an M3 processor, I select the ARM, 64-bit option. We select the option No thanks, just start my download. After downloading, we proceed with installing the MySQL Server. I use the default options. Enter your computer password. And then a password for the root user. It must be at least 8 characters long, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters and punctuation marks. Enter your computer password. The installation of the MySQL Server was successful. You can close the installer. We will proceed with the next steps immediately. We go to System Preferences and then find MySQL. Here we can see that the server is active, indicated by the green dots. I am fine with the server starting automatically when I start my computer. Additionally, you can adjust various settings here, but I will leave them at their default values. For the next step, we go back to the internet browser and navigate to the MySQL Server page again. We select Downloads and scroll down to MySQL Community, GPL, Downloads. On the next page, we choose MySQL Workbench. And, since I have an M3 processor, I select the ARM version. We click on Download. Again, we choose to proceed with the download without logging in or signing up. We open the download and drag MySQL Workbench to Applications. The Workbench is now being installed on our computer, and we can find it in the apps. We will open the app immediately. After opening the app, we can see that our server is active, as indicated by the gray panel under MySQL Connections. We click on the gray panel to open the Workbench. To connect to the server, we need to enter the password we created earlier. I save the password so that this step is not required next time. A warning screen appears. First, I select not to see this message again, and then I click on Continue anyway. Now we are in the Workbench. In the next episode, I will show how to load data. For this, I will use CSV files. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give likes, and add comments. I look forward to seeing you next time.